could never hold me. Cause I'm coming down, playing, surrounded, living these hoes' fantasy. Cause I'm chopping, blazing, playing maze, and these bitches, they can't stand it. Deep up in this game, and this thing is so demanding.
Chopping on dubs, showing them love.
2,000 Benzes and you are not flying enough.
Young bitch, hold up, young bitch.
Bitch, I just don't wanna stop coming up.
It's never too much, the paper I make. These other pussy niggas ain't real, them hoes fake. I'm sweet James Jones when you come through, bitch. I treat you good because you know I'm rich. I was in the ghetto, had nothing. Sold a lot of records and grabbed some. Now I'm going do movies in LA. Playing the game the way the hustlers play. And every day I try to stack my grip and make 3 songs. I'm trying to get my motherfucking paper on. I want the new bro.
Hey, what's going on, guys? If you're in the Texas area and you're looking for epoxy materials, we are a one-stop shop to everything epoxy with 3 locations in Houston, Austin, and San Antonio. If you need addresses, look them up on Google or call our main office at 832-813-8260. Peace.
Right there.
Oh, are you filming?
Yep.
What is going on, y'all? We are at one of the H-Town's staple points. If you come to Houston, you gotta come to Exotic Pop. Exotic Pop is a staple here in Houston and is known to be active in the community and be active in the hip-hop scene, guys. Exotic Pop is a nationwide company that services a lot of local artists and a lot of celebrities. We are here today. We're refurbishing the floors that we've done here for Exotic Pop. It's been about 2 years, so we're back to bring the floors back to life. This is one of my high clients. I gotta keep their floors looking fresh. It's what you do for not certain people, all your customers, but I like taking care of my customers. So I usually hit them up and say, how's your floor doing? How's it looking? I reach out. I don't let them reach out. And man, we're here so I can walk in and see what's going on.
There's an elevator, bro.
The elevator don't work.
Get them sets in, bro. Come on, bro. You got this. Let's start this.
It's like an arcade bar for the grown-up.
Oh, this is new, bro. Jump on, bro, for the thumbnail. Like our age, like 25.
You know you ain't 25. You're grown-up, bro. I clean the whole floor and then spray T200. Spray quick seal, then on top of that T200. But I think they're still working in here. There's people up there working and they're hanging on to stuff. Wire part? No.
$1 per game.
Okay.
Don't get this on the
You know, we know what I did in Austin. Go ahead.
Let me see. I want to go off of you.
I have to work.
Damn,
Good
bro.
hit. Did you hit harder than that?
700 what?
779. Yes, sir.
Damn. He's mad, bro.
A ver aquí arriba, en ese de Ramón. Listo.
I'll get you on video.
Nah, I'm good.
Bro, they hit it.
That shit hurts my arm, bro.
My shit hurt, dog.
Oh my god.
We old, bro. We old. We 45 years old, bro.
What is that, 300?
6. Something light. I didn't hit that all right. I wasn't prepared for that. I got records from Austin.
What you hit in Austin?
9 something.
Nah, okay.
Was it 9 something? Put it in there, dog. You know where it's at.
What you shooting?
You got it?
Man, what they do to you, bro?
Hold on. We got the fuck plate on.
Oh, there you go. That's what I dale, yeah. Dale, come on, dale.
Watch out, Mike Tyson. Big.
Jimi Hendrix right here.
¿Cómo estás? Todo bien, nomás mirando.
Iba para arriba. Iba para arriba para mirarlo de arriba. Hola.
Oh, ya,
¿Cómo está todo?
ya, traen todos los cosas que arriba, no pueden comenzar. Ok.
¿Qué tienes que te quite todo?
Yeah, para que todo el piso exposed, ready. I mean, what time you what, like 9, 10?
Something like that.
¿Sí sirven los elevators o todavía no?
Voy a checar eso porque se supone que también había mandado que llegara el
Okay, yeah, porque las máquinas están pesadas. Yeah, no, man, just let me know, man, if you get the elevator going, we'll figure it out, man. I'm gonna see how it looks down here. Todo el piso que es concreto. ¿En arriba? Sí, nomás donde está todo el concreto exposed. Me le dije que con las máquinas ahí vamos, los vamos a acercar, pero me voy a just stop right there at the machine and just doing todo el piso. Okay.
¿Estar acá ya?
Sí. How we get in here? We're here? Yeah. Would you push it up?
Yeah.
Hey, you jump right to quick seal?
Yeah, I got it over here.
It's ready, bro. I'm gonna turn the light off. I think you start turning the light off. I say, wait a minute, y'all stay here, man. Y'all just run the try to quick seal real quick. What they bring, 6 gallons? I don't think we'll get out through here, huh? So we have to go back inside.
That door doesn't open?
No, it's all locked up. Bro, they brother runners back in the gas, so they would get all the drugs everywhere.
My dad used to have to we both our ass and then
So we gotta climb, bro.
They really let us down the wrong alley. All right, we have to go inside. Look, but that was a hit squad, man. That's how they put up on you while you were driving your car. In Medellin.
There was somebody in the back.
When you're driving and shit your ass up.
So we do the same thing up there, just clean it.
Clean and spray away.
That's it.
Whatever the sealer stays, the sealer stays. You're gonna use the black pad underneath. Whatever goes up, comes up. Whatever doesn't, doesn't.
We gotta go back up?
Yeah. All right. Let's do that about.
Why is everybody doing the same thing? ¿Trae una mano?
Look, jamming.
I can't let nobody hold me down. These hoes could never hold me. Cause I'm coming down, playing, surrounded, living these hoes' fantasy. Cause I'm chopping, blazing, playing maze, and these bitches, they can't stand it. Deep up in this game, and this thing is so demanding.
Chopping on dubs, showing them love.
2,000 Benzes and you are not fly enough.
Young bitch, hold up, young bitch.
Bitch, I just don't wanna stop coming.
It's never too much, the paper I make. These other pussy niggas ain't real, them hoes fake. I'm sweet James Jones when you come through, bitch. I treat you good because you know I'm rich. I was in the ghetto, had nothing. Sold a lot of records and grabbed something. Now I'm going do movies in LA. Playing the game the way the hustlers play. And every day I try to stack my grip and make 3 songs. I'm trying to get my motherfucking paper on. I want the new bro and a new cell phone. I want the new 2-way pager and the new mansion home.